when applying paint stripper with the brush, the most important part is to apply enough paint stripper in between the joints where the mortar is, like this, so you remove all that paint from mortar easily without any damaging it when you pressure cleaning it. And then again, when you pressure cleaning it, it should be low pressure cleaning for the best results. But this is the most important part, to apply paint stripper in all the joints so you don't miss out on that. Otherwise you have to repeat the process again, maybe once or twice, depending on how much paint is left in a joint. So when applying the paper, I always make sure to push all the air out. If you have any air left, the paint stripper is not going to do the magic. So it's very important to stick the paper to the wall without pushing all the paint stripper underneath the brick and in between the brick and the paper. So you have some product left in between the brick and the paper, so it can remove the paint that's on the brick. So you always use tapping technique like that, so you don't squeeze out all the paint stripper out in joints. So you gotta have some left on the top of the brick. Here we are, finally it's done. Sorry guys, I could not record much. I started in the beginning. As you can see, it's been raining all this time while I was doing this. But this is the outcome. So you can see everything's removed. But yeah, it's been one of those jobs that I have to finish before the school starts. It's one of the schools that I'm doing. And the kids are back next week, so this gotta be done before they come back, and it's done now. Even now it's raining and I'm getting wet while I'm recording this. It was a toughy one, this one. Next time hopefully it's not gonna rain, so I can record all the process of paint stripping the mural from brick wall. Till then guys, cheers. I hope you like this video. You know what to do: subscribe, share and like.